Okay, so we have further discussion here. Now we have the relation between the object distance, image distance and the focal length. That is what lens formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Are we able to find out the focal length, that what the practical values we got in the previous discussion, lab activity? Is it possible now to find out? Possible or not? Possible or not? Just I want that one. Here it is, practical values. Shall we try to find out? Here, see, I am selecting the object distance, suppose here 60 centimeters, and image distance is 60 centimeters. Then what is the focal length? Let me try to find out here. Here I have the relation 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u is the relation. What is u here? 60 centimeters. What is v here? 60 centimeters. Then apply sign convention rules. Here, that what type of image observed? Here at same distance it is given. So when we will get the image at same distance, if the object is placed at a center of curvature, is it? So here object is left side, object distance is measured in this direction, it is opposite to the incident light ray, so u is negative, so u equal to minus 60. What about v? It is real and inverted image at a center of curvature. So this is the ray diagram here. Okay, so here image distance is measured towards right, then v is positive here, so v is positive, sign convention rules applied. Then substitute the values in the given relation, 1 by f equal to 1 by v, it is 60 minus, already in the formula there, that is, then u equal to minus 60, substituted. Then what is here? Minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus. So 1 by 60, 1 by 60, that equal to what? A common denominator is 60, then numerators are added. That what I got? 2 by 60 it is. It is 1 by f equal to, then what about f equal to? 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. I got the focal length of lens which is used in the lab activity as 30 centimeters. You have to check that value by using these two. Object distance is 40 centimeters, image distance is 120 centimeters. Shall we find out? Here 1 by f is equals to 1 by v, it is real image, so 120 centimeters positive, minus 1 by u is always negative, minus 40. Then minus minus becomes plus, 1 by 40 it is 1 by 120 here. Then LCM is 120. So what we will write here? 1 plus 43 times, that means plus 3, that equal to 4 by 120. Then here reciprocals writing means f equal to 120 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So 30 times is 120. So 30 centimeters. What is the focal length of the lens used in the lab activity? 30 centimeters it is. I used the double convex lens in the lab activity, right? That focal length is simply 30 centimeters. In this we have used that focal length of the lens is 30 centimeters. So this is the reason why I not mentioned that. I did not mention the focal length of the lens to find out practically, that's why not mentioned. Then one more simple logic is there to find out the focal length. See here, object distance and image distance same. Then in the first lesson, reflection of light, you got a relation f equal to r by 2, that is equals to r is 60 centimeters. This is the center distance pole to the center distance. So 60 by 2. Directly what you are able to say? 30 centimeters. Without using the lens formula. Just with that you are able to decide the focal length.